guys, Millie here. So today I'm going to be reviewing some products from Plastic Freedom. So Plastic Freedom is an online retailer that sells plastic-free products. So Plastic Freedom was started by a girl called Beth who was fed up of being forced into buying plastic-free products in shops and online. So she wanted to make one place where people can buy plastic-free products, lots of different products for home, beauty, kitchen, all in one place. So it's a really great website to go to. Plastic Freedom even take back all your old packaging. So anything that you get sent, you can send straight back to them and they'll recycle it and reuse it for other products. So it's really good alternative to plastic packaging and plastic products. So let's have a look at what they've sent us. So everything came in this cardboard box with their logo on the front, and it all came wrapped in paper rather than styrofoam or other plastic packaging, which is great. Got some toothpaste and some silk floss from a company called Georganics. We've got our activated charcoal toothpaste and our floss to try out. So both of them come in little glass containers with metal lids, so no plastic in the packaging, which is cool. And this is the floss. So it comes in a little glass container and then you just pull it out from the top and it's got a little cutter there. So nicely presented. So first up, let's look at the toothpaste. So if you can see, it's like a black paste, and it also comes with this wooden stick, which I guess is to scrape it onto your toothpaste. But I'm just going to take the toothpaste and go straight in. So it's really minty and my teeth are quite white. So yeah, I give that a win. I've had some before which are like this paste, and they tasted really bad. So the fact that it's minty is really good. And it foamed up nicely, so I would recommend this definitely. And I think the amount you get, that's a big tub, and I used a tiny amount for my whole mouth. I think it would last you forever. So definitely a good alternative to using kind of 2 or 3 plastic tubes worth. So yeah, great. So next up is the floss. Just gonna pull it out from the top like that, and then cut it. I guess use my tool. I'll be honest, I don't normally floss, so that's kind of painful. But I mean, if you floss normally and you're used to it, it's probably great. I don't see why that would be any different to using plastic floss, and it's so much better for the environment. So yeah, if you're someone that needs your floss, then this is quite a good product for you. I'd say I'm pretty impressed actually. The fact that Plastic Freedom has all these different products in one place makes it so easy. It means you don't have to know any products beforehand or go endlessly scrolling on the internet to find a plastic alternative. You can just go straight to Plastic Freedom. I believe it's plasticfreedom.com, and just find whatever you're looking for but a plastic-free alternative. So yeah, definitely would recommend looking at their site and seeing what you can find to replace your plastic products.